Rekovelle, used to stimulate ovaries to develop more follicles in women undergoing assisted reproductive techniques. Do not store at temperatures above 25 degrees. It should be placed in the refrigerator door. Store in the original packaging in order to protect the preparation from light and protect from frost. Medicines must always be taken as directed by the doctor. Stimulation is performed in the evening. Choose the time yourself. We recommend a time between 6 and 7 p.m. Stimulation must be performed at the same time every day. Start using on the second or third day of the menstrual cycle. Stimulation is performed for a period of 10 to 15 days. Always wash your hands before using the medicine. You can see units marked on a scale on the applicator pen. By turning the end of the applicator, you can adjust the dosage according to the stimulation protocol. Attach the needle to the applicator. The medicine is ready to be applied. For the injection, choose an area around the navel in the lower abdomen and change the site of the application every day. Use a disinfectant pad at the chosen area. The drug should be administered subcutaneously. Therefore, the injection should be performed at an angle of 90 degrees while holding the subcutaneous tissue. Insert the whole needle into the subcutaneous tissue and apply the medicine by squeezing the side of the pen. Dispose of the needle in a container and use a new needle every day. Side effects are not common with this medicine. You may experience headaches, fatigue, or acne. Reactions at the injection site may include pain, redness, hematoma or bruising, and swelling.